Hello, friends. I hope you are all fine. Today is a story about the lion in law. It is Aesop Fables. So let's start. Love can tame the wildest. Once upon a time, a lion once fell in love with a beautiful maiden and proposed marriage to her parents. The old people did not know what to say. They did not like to give their daughter to the lion. Yet they did not wish to embrace the king of beasts. At last the father said, "We feel highly honored by your majesty proposal. But you see, our daughter is a tender young girl, and we fear that in vehemence of your affection you might possibly do her some injury. Might I venture to suggest that your majesty should have your claws removed and your teeth extracted? Then we would gladly consider your proposal again." The lion was so much in love that he had his claws trimmed and his big teeth taken out. But when he came again to the parents of the young girl, they simply laughed in his face and bade him to his worst. Thanks for watching.